Welcome back to Time Serve, the channel scans the docket so you don't have to. People like this make me absolutely sick. He is standing in district court facing Judge Boyd with child endangerment charges, and he is laughing and giggling with his attorney. And once you hear what he is charged with, you will know exactly why that smile should be wiped straight from his face. I do not, however, particularly agree with the plea here, but I want to hear from you by dropping a comment below. Like and subscribe, set your notification to all. And before I say what everyone is waiting for, if you are new here but have watched Judge Fleischer, Let's Roll Nerds originated on this channel, and Judge is a good friend and fan and brought it into his courtroom. Therefore, let's roll nerds.
And up to $10,000 fine. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these plea bargain agreements, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into pleas in each of these cause numbers?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
In each cause number, sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
They have not, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, according to the plea bargain agreement, there's to be a fine in one of $2,000. The other fine is $1,500. The cases were run concurrently. The state is recommending deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution of $380 to the Bexar County Crime Lab for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each paragraph? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions? Outside the agreement and the cause number ending in C, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There'll be 200 hours of community service restitution, the MRT, and life skills course. And the cause number ending in 8, there's to be 2 years of community service restitution, 100 hours community service restitution, no contact with Layla Aguero, parenting classes, TAP evaluation, follow all recommendations in the MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then in cause number ending in 9-8, how do you plead?
Oh, I just wanted to clarify that we were going, no agreement on the Layla, no contact order.
All right, then in cause number 9-8, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest?
And in cause number ending in C, how do you plead to count 2, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
In both of the cases, state exhibit has a one-form statutes.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, each cause number, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I'm very happy with the plea bargain. I think that both sides were very fair. I'm just, the Layla is only 3.
Of course you're happy with the plea bargain. After you hear what he did to his 3-year-old and what he had in the room, I would be happy too if he was getting probation. I do not agree with this. Please tell me what you think by commenting. Am I wrong here? Please let me know.
And the CPS case that was open when all this happened has been cleared. He'd had to take some parenting classes. He got custody back. They never took her away. So that's all good. And I, had a nice long talk with him about not making this kind of fairly kind of stupid mistake again.
It was.
And so we just want the no harmful instead of no contact with Layla.
All right, I don't know about that. And let me just tell you why I don't know about that. One, I don't know what work CPS did. There's an issue if you have drugs and the growing of drugs, and there's a baby crib where the drugs are being grown, and you have children who live at your house, but you disregarding that. A child can't say, hey, Dad, I don't want you growing drugs in my room. I don't want you growing drugs in my house. And that's where we are. And I don't know what kind of work CPS did.
Well, and the thing that I'm concerned about, Judge, is Kelly, the mother of this child, is also charged. Now, I don't know if they charged her with child endangerment, but she certainly was there. She's charged with the drug aspect of this. So you do a no contact on the parents.
Well, there's going to be no contact with him.
Well, but she lives with him, the mother, and the mother is charged with, except for the child endangerment, but she was charged. I don't think she was charged with child. She was same exact thing as him. So if you take, no contact on him, it's no contact on her, and then the kid.
Well, I don't know what I'm going to do about Mom, but what I'm doing with this case is there's no contact with Layla Aguero. Now, if y'all want to wait and have sentencing at another date, we can have sentencing at another date, and you can have Child Protective Services come in and explain to me what he has done.
Well, I know that Kelly is in the lineup to plead today, so we could wait to see what you're going to. I mean, it wouldn't be fair to, say, okay, well, she can.
Well, all cases are individual. I mean, I treat everybody as an individual. I don't understand why CPS would return a child to somebody who's growing drugs in the child's room. But I don't know what CPS did. Sometimes CPS will, as you know, counsel, sometimes CPS will dismiss cases. And the reason why they dismiss and close cases is because one parent did the service plan, the other didn't. I don't know if he did his service plan or not. I don't know if they had a family-based service plan. I don't know what happened. So what I can do is I can take his plea now. And then if somebody wants to get the court some information or documentation from CPS, then I'll look at that.
All right, let me talk to him.